Hi there, everybody. It's Candace. So we are deep into week 2, Point of Light. Lots of rich resources in this week. You are about to experience a deep healing meditation. And this meditation is an adaptation originally heard by Michaela Sheldon with the Flower of Life Foundation, channeling and utilizing Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Saint Germain, and your higher self and all of your spirit guides. And this meditation is about bringing light to a part of the body or to a patterned response system that is currently dense and rich or heavy with a lot of thought forms and a lot of power in terms of your life. So this point in our work together, we would have an idea of a point of injury, and we are just beginning to look at the light and how we apply that. And so this meditation is about bringing that healing to that part of the body, but also to that pattern. So we're going to do another quick meditation here. It's going to be very powerful healing again, and make sure that you are in a nice kind of comfortable space. This one you definitely want to do when you're not driving, you're laying down, or you're sitting quietly in a space. So without further ado, I'm going to take a couple deep breaths and get us grounded, and you can stop this video if you need to go shut the door or turn your phone off, okay? All right. So everybody closing their eyes. Beginning with 3 inhalations and exhalations. Open mouth, sigh. Inhale. Open mouth, sigh. And a third one on your own without rushing. We are going to immediately invoke our relaxation response by imagining our root chakra just sort of extending beyond the base of our spine and just dropping right down into Mother Earth, connecting to the center and the core of Earth, feeling the strength and the support of Gaia, and allowing yourself to receive from your root chakra up into your body a deep sense of peace, protection, groundedness, readiness, and attention. And with that attention, take a nice deep breath in again. And exhale, letting your whole physical body relax. Body relaxed, mind alert. Just sensing from the core of the earth the stability. Calling in now Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Saint Germain, higher self, spiritual guides and teachers of all of you, and any other masters aligned with the Council of Light, supporting the healing of each individual person and the collective on this planet. We ask that you bring to your mind's eye an awareness of a pattern that is currently dense, difficult, and or causing some disruption in your vibration. This pattern can be a thought pattern, an emotional pattern, a physical pattern, or a spiritual or ancestral pattern. Call that to mind at this time and drop that pattern in the physical body if it does exist in the spot to where it exists. Bring the attention to that spot. Once that spot has been identified, we invite you to breathe through your nose. And as you exhale, you imagine an expansion of light in that spot, as if it is a ripple of light in that spot, perhaps in the mind, in the heart, in the field of your energy, or in the body. Imagine that pattern, hold your attention there, and begin to imagine an expansive, reflecting, brilliant, holographic, multi-dimensional light. And this light, perhaps as it grows, takes on the form of a special shape or sacred geometry symbol. Maybe a circle or square, maybe the flower of life or Metatron's cube. And as this light expands in that part of the body, you imagine the density of this pattern becoming transmuted or transformed. Feeling a space and an integration of this pattern. Not killing or fixing or pushing it away, but rather breathing into it and expanding and integrating it. Feeling very safe with your root chakra attached to the earth of the Gaia energy. Remain focused and do 3 to 5 breaths as this process occurs. Breathing and expanding, integrating this pattern within the symbol that you see. Recognizing that this integrative power is about realignment, medicine, and wisdom of this pattern. That the lightness helps to integrate the density. And all that you must do is imagine this light, this part of the mind or heart or body, expanding the symbol. And at this time, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Saint Germain, Metatron, higher self, and spiritual guides and teachers, that which you give permission, will clear your auric field and lighten this pattern with the light that you yourself bring to this space. The light is a symbol of acceptance and love, and an immediate awareness that you no longer have to cohabitate with this pattern, disengaged, but rather empowered, and as the divine director of your own healing. Solidifying this healing by taking 3 more breaths. With each breath feeling lighter and lighter. More space. More opportunity for transmutation in this pattern. Recognizing that your decision to be aware and awake, as well as to allow the light to enter this pattern, will leave you transformed and will continue to integrate within your field and within your chakras as time goes on. Knowing that you can invoke this healing and process again by engaging deep breathing and imagining the expansive light and shapes within this pattern again. We love you very much. We wish to see your glory through your own will and love. And so it is. When feeling ready, you can begin to lift the root chakra, connection to Mother Earth, back up into the spine and the tailbone, bringing you back into this physical body in this space, knowing that you have integrated this process for healing and that it is now accessible to you upon your deep breathing at any time you wish. When you are ready, opening your eyes, coming back into the space, and knowing that fundamentally and energetically, something powerful has shifted within you. Loving each of you and encouraging each of you to get a pen and paper and to journal your experience from this meditation. It was divinely inspired, commingled with my own wisdom and that of channeled messages, as well as divine inspiration from the Flower of Life Foundation. I will put these resources in the Juicy Notes section of week 2. And this video will be downloadable and that you are free and welcome to use it as often as you wish.